Good morning students, my name is Mohit and I'm a mathematics teacher in Mount Utra Z School Jhansi. So today's topic is addition, subtraction, multiplication and division. So you can say that we are going to study today word problems based on the following operations. So as you can read it that we have done a lot of problems that have addition, subtraction, multiplication and division. So we will try solve some more here. Before starting, look at this example and follow the method used. So the first example is like population of Sundarnagar was 2,35,471 in the year 1991, and in the year 2000 it was found to be increased by 72,958. It means this population is increased in 2001. So what was the population in the city in 2001? So you know that if this is the previous population and this is the population which is increased, so you have to add it in this. So the population will be in 2001. What we will do, we have to add it. So let's get started with an example. So this is an example number 1 which I have solved. The question I have already read from the page, so we will solve it now. So like population of the city in 2001, that is population of the city in 1991 and plus the increase in population, the increase in population in 2001. Okay, so you can write it over here in 2001. So this is the population which is increased in 2001. This is the population increased in 2001 and this is the population which is already in 1991. So we will get the population of the city in 2001 all over. So what we will do, we will add these populations, like this is the population in 1991 and this is the increased population in 2001. So all over the resultant population will be 3,08,429. So this is the population in 2001. I hope you understand this example number 1. Now let's get to the example number 2. As you can read over here, in one state the number of bicycles sold in the year 2002 to 2003 was 7,43,000, and in the year 2003 to 2004 the number of bicycles were sold was 8,100,000. In which year were more bicycles sold and how more? So we will solve it. So here's the solution. As you can see that clearly that 8,100,000 is more than 7,43,000. You can see that this value is more than this value. This is the number of bicycles which was sold in year 2002 to 2003 and these are the number of bicycles which are sold in the year 2003 to 2004. So in year 2002 to 2003 more bicycles were sold by how much more bicycles were sold? So we have to subtract it because we will get the number of more bicycle by subtracting 7,43,000 by 8,100,000. So we will subtract it and we will get the answer 557,100. So this is the answer. So now if you want to check the answer, this is the final answer, but if you want to check the answer, what can you do? The answer you get, you can add this value to the subtrahend value. What the subtrahend value? Which we are subtracting, like 7,43,000. So if we add 7,43,000 by the resultant, that is 57,100, we will get the answer. We will get back the questioned answer, that is 8,100,000 the bicycle which were sold in 2002 to 2003. It means the answer is right. So what was the answer? The answer is 57,100. So now let's come to the example number 3. In example number 3 you can see that the town newspaper is published every day. Means newspaper published every day and one copy has 12 pages. They are saying that one copy has 12 pages. Every day 11,980 copies are printed. Okay, so how many total pages are printed every day? So what we will do, it is quite simple. As you can see in the solution section, like there's written over here, like each copy has 12 pages because they are given. And every day how many newspapers were copied? 11,980. So hence 11,900 copies will print 12 into this. You can take an example like if you buy one chocolate for rupees 5, it means you will buy two chocolates for rupees 10. How you get the answer? You have to multiply the values. So in 11,980 copies, the number of pages will be 12 multiplied by 11,980 pages. So what would this number be? More than 1 lakh or less than? Try to estimate. So let's get started. So like you can see over here, each copy has 12 pages. So 11,980 copy will have these pages. So we will multiply the value and we will get the answer, that is, you can read it, 1,43,760 pages every day. So these are the pages which you will get the answer. So I hope you understand the video. Now let's come to the next example, that is the question number 4. So example number 4 is the number of sheets of paper available for making notebooks is 75,000. Each sheet makes 8 pages of a notebook. Each notebook contains 200 pages. How many notebooks can be made from the paper available? So what we will do? So let's get back to the solution now. You can see that each sheet makes 8 pages. Hence 75,000 sheets will make 8 multiplied by 75,000. Just as we have did in question example number 3, we have to same here. We have to do it same over here. So now we will multiply 75,000 by 8. We will get the answer, that is 6 lakh pages. So we will get 6 lakh pages in the form of answer. So I hope you understand it very clearly. So on the basis of these example, I will be giving an exercise which will contain 12 examples, 12 questions. But out of that 12 question, maybe 2 questions I will be going to do for you, and you will get it in the form of notes. And these examples you will get in the form of PDF today. So all the best, students.